Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can message people on Snack Video. Go to the notification button over here, and then you are just going to click on this arrow on the top right corner of your screen next to messages. Here you can send messages to the people you follow on Snack Video. So I'm just going to send a message. So I'm just going to send a message to the official account because I don't know who else to send a message to. Just write hello. Let's see. You can even add this sort of thumbs up. I don't think I can really chat with I can actually. You can even send them an image, for instance, if you'd like. Maybe this one. Press next, and you can just send an image too on messages. But yeah, that is just basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!